guys. Yeah, so we just getting back in the house from church. I'm so tired because after church we took the boys to go see the house because they haven't seen what. Do you say anything other than Nene? Here. Okay. How was church today, Maddie? Maddie. Maddie. Look what her dad did. So, she got on her stocking for church, right? And there was a little piece of little thread hanging off of her stocking. He goes and yanks it. And then pop a hole in her thing. And he gonna go, whoops, sorry. Hi. How was church today, Maddie? She's obsessed with it, putting things in bags now. How was church today? Huh? How was church today, Mommy? How was church? She's like, you can't open it, okay? Give it to me. Give it to Mommy. You're not gonna give it to me? You look so pretty today. Want to show the guys what you wore to church today? Hmm? She's, this lady at our church, she's so sweet. She always gives the kids, cookies because she works at the hospital. So she usually gets them, snack and stuff from her job and bring it to them. Right, Mama? How was church? Good morning, guys. Today's Sunday. I don't know what you guys got going on because it's I think today's the Super Bowl, I think. I don't follow football. Destiny and Jackson's at their grandparents' house. We just have the boys and they're just doing their chores. Got boxes back there. We took the kids down to, I told you guys already, we took them down to go see the house and stuff like that. We have good news. We start pre-construction. We go for our pre-construction meeting on the 12th of this month, and then on the 16th, and then we're supposed to break ground on the 26th, I believe. Yeah, with a delivery date of May. The middle of May-ish, so that's when we close. And I'm slowly trying to pack up, but I'm so lazy because I don't have any tape and I don't have any bubble wrap, and I have a lot of rayon left that I have to pack. Miss Madison is sleeping. I'm gonna show you guys. She is sleeping. Oh, you the sheepy bug. She's getting so tall. Look at her pants. Oh, sheepy bug. She's so tired. We're not watching any football because we're not football people. Yeah, we're not doing. We went grocery shopping. 4 a.m. in the morning. My husband woke up. I was like, let's go, because you know when people hear about snow mixed with rain, they go crazy and they go empty the supermarkets. So we figured we'll go ahead and get a head start on those type of people, because they like to empty the supermarket because they feel like, you know, they're gonna get mass amount of snow and be snowed in, and they gotta eat cans and canned beans, and yeah. So we had to go do our grocery shopping early so that we could get there'll be stuff on the shelf and stuff like that. So there I have sad faces here. There's one sad face there, another sad face over there, because they got in trouble with their dad because they were supposed to do their chores and apparently they didn't do it properly. Because my husband is very, very, very strict. Like, he's the strictest parents that you can ever find. And me, I'm more lenient and I'm more forgiving, and I'm more the type that will teach until I get to a breaking point. My husband, there's no There's no leniency with him. There's no, okay, I'm gonna do it right next. No, you do it right the first time, and that's just the way he is. And I guess we both balance each other out, because I'll jump in and be like, hey, you know, and he's like, no, you know. But over time I've learned that you can't what's the word, you can't undermine each other's authority in front of the children. You have to do that separate. Be like, you know, pull them aside and say, hey, you know, this is how you should have done this, or this is how I feel like you should have done this, and we could have done this a different way. So like, but you can't do it in front of the children, because then that gives them the idea that they can do whatever they want and get away with it, because mommy will always be the one to say, you know. So I've learned over the years to be quiet if I feel the way that he disciplines the children is wrong. I've learned that that's something, if I'm not happy with the way he does it, is something that we should discuss when we sit down to talk about, you know, family stuff and whatnot. But I'm trying, you know what I mean? I'm trying. I am trying. Your girl here is trying. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hi, Maddie. Look who's up, guys. Say hi. Hi. Oh, she's ready for her morning bottle. I give her almond milk. So I'm about to get her almond milk. Daddy, can you hold her for a little bit? Let me get her bottle.
Alright, when I
no.
make myself something to eat.
Go Dada. So I'm gonna give her almond milk, and I gave her, she already got an applesauce, because right now I'm trying to wean her off. I don't know how well I'm gonna do, because Jackson breastfed until he was the night of his 3rd birthday, so I stopped breastfeeding at 2 years and 11 months and 29. No, stop. I'm not good at math. Don't do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get her almond milk and get her. She already had her go-go squeeze. She had apple juice already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some almond milk in here. I think I have enough for a bottle. Yay! I bought a new one, so if you guys haven't seen my grocery haul, go check it out. Yeah, so this is done. That's finished. And I usually just give it to her. I usually just give it to her cold. Want bottle? Want your bottle? Thank you. You're being such a brat right now. Can you take it? Why are you being a brat? Come on. Get your bottle. There you go. Say, Daddy, I'm gonna need you to hold me. Look at her. What are you doing? It's like I'm still not woken up, Mama. You don't want your bottle? Hmm? Hi. Good morning. Good morning. You want to go with Mama? Come on. Come on. So, I'm going to go let her drink her bottle. Oh. And then Daddy is making breakfast for himself. Because he's just that. Oh, look at my hair. Oh, looks like I got 2 horns. You guys couldn't tell me to fix my hair? Lord. Okay. You want your bottle? Mm-hmm. She's always so quiet when she wakes up.
This is Jonathan.
You just lay with Mama? You wanna lay with Mama?
Farmhouse. What's a farmhouse? Mommy. Mommy, that's not a farmhouse.
It is. Oh, I'm online shopping, guys, for furniture. Look at that. I love that thing. It's so pretty. I want to get this TV stand for downstairs in our family room. So I'm just online browsing furniture stuff, and yeah, because my husband said that he's gonna give me some money to go furniture shopping for Maddie's room and downstairs, because that's all we need is Maddie's room and downstairs. That's all, nothing else. We're gonna get new furniture, but that's gonna come later. I'll see you guys in a little bit. When you're vegan and you can't find anything to eat for breakfast, you make French fry sandwich. So he got his bread, tomato, lettuce, mayo. What is this? Ketchup, liquid smoke, and you make yourself a sandwich, babe. What's on the counter? Right there.
No, I think that's
you didn't clean the kitchen?
I cleaned the kitchen, but I didn't wipe it.
Yeah, right. Then why is there a stain on the counter? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué? You just want to be in my hand at all times. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go, Maddie. Let's go sit down. Let's go have a seat. Pick up your bottle. I told you to give it to Daddy. Here. I gotta give it to Daddy. Here, Dad. Put this in the fridge. Alright, let's go. Alright, come. Come. You're not gonna sit down. Come. Come on. We'll go sit down. She's so cranky when she wakes up. Okay, we're gonna go have a seat. What do you need? What do you need? Come on. We go have a seat. I love you. No. She missed her sister. Oh! That's another thing I forgot to tell you guys. That when Madison misses her sister, when Madison misses Destiny, because Destiny's not here, she's been gone for the weekend, Madison whines and cries, and she's like the saddest little thing when her sister is not home. So it's her way of saying, hey, something is not normal around here, and I'm not happy about it. You know what I mean? So it's okay. Sissy come back today, I promise. I promise. Sissy come back today. Sister come back today, I promise. I know you're sad. Are you sad? No? She's sad. It's okay. It's okay. I understand. Anyways, I'm gonna go sit on the couch with my baby and wallow. We're gonna go wallow in our sadness. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Ah! My babies are home! Yay! Oh, I miss you. Where's Sissy? Maddie! Maddie! Sissy's home. Look at her face. Sissy's home.
You have a problem?
Sissy, oh! She been saying nene all weekend long. Let me see this, a hug. Let me see the hug.
Hi, Juju.
You found nene?
Estaban extrañando a la muñeca. Estaban extrañando.
You found Sissy?
Hi, my little bit. Your sister miss you. Okay. You go soon. You go soon. You go soon with Destiny.
She's like, is that Sissy?
She misses.
I know she's been crying all weekend.
Estaba extrañando a la nena. Ella. Le digo, yo miss you house.